In 2010, when people heard the word Bitcoin, most of them laughed. A digital currency? Something you can't hold or touch. Who would buy that? At that time, Bitcoin was worth less than 1 cent. Just $1 could get you over 100 Bitcoins. So imagine this. If you had invested just $100 back then, today you'd have more than $200 million. But most people ignored it. They said, "We'll see later," or "It's not the right time," or "I don't have time for this." Then the price started to rise. $1, $10, $100, $1, until it passed $60,000 for a single Bitcoin. And suddenly everyone said, "I wish I had started earlier." Now here's the truth. The same kind of opportunity is happening again right now, not with cryptocurrency, but with artificial intelligence. What people said about Bitcoin back then, they're now saying about AI. "I don't get it. I'll learn later. I'm not into tech." And soon, many of those same people will say again, "I wish I had started earlier." But AI isn't just a trend. It's a real tool, a way to build a business, earn income, and take control of your future. Let's take one example, YouTube automation. You can now run a full YouTube channel without showing your face, without recording your voice, and without filming anything. AI can write your scripts, record voiceovers with human-like voices, edit your videos, and design thumbnails. Your job? Just manage the process and let the income grow. Some people who started in 2023 or 2024 now earn thousands of dollars each month. While they sleep, their channels are generating passive income thanks to smart tools. And the best part? This opportunity is still available. You're not too late. You can still be part of this early wave. So the question is, will you let this opportunity pass like Bitcoin? Or will you act now and catch the train before it's too late? Start today, even with one small step. Learn something. Try something. Launch a simple channel. Use the tools. 1 year from now, you'll be glad you started today. The opportunity is right in front of you, but it won't stay open forever. And if this video made you think, give it a like, share it with others, and let us know in the comments, what's holding you back from starting today? Let's move forward together.